Aveeno's Calm Restore Oat Gel, does it actually calm the irritated skin or is it just label? In this video, I talk about what this product can actually do and can't do. This is a gel, like the name suggests. It's not a thick cream. It's light and it sinks into the skin very fast and it doesn't feel like it's sitting on the skin. So if you've got oily skin, this is a really good product. You'll appreciate it. If you've got dry, very dry, a bit cracked skin, then this is not the product for you. Does it hydrate well? Yes, it does hydrate well. Glycerin in the product is a humectant, meaning it's a water magnet. It's going to draw hydration, keep that hydration on the skin, and then you've got ingredients like silicones and beeswax, which is going to seal the hydration that glycerin brings to the skin. By sealing the hydration, it makes sure that this hydration that the glycerin has brought to the skin doesn't evaporate back into the atmosphere. So the product hydrates the skin and helps the skin stay hydrated. Now to the soothing, because that's something the marketing talks a lot about. Soothing is really important for well functioning of the skin. Often we might even not realize our skin needs soothing. Soothing is actually what keeps the skin ticking along really well. What I mean by that is, skin's outer layer works as a barrier. It keeps the skin hydrated and keeps the skin prone to fewer breakouts. But it's a constant struggle to keep this barrier strong. Almost on a daily basis, the barrier can get weakened, and if we don't do something regularly to strengthen this barrier, what happens is the weakened barrier gets further weakened and then it gets irritated, becomes more damaged. And once it gets more damaged, it gets more irritated. And irritation will lead to dark spots and pigmentation. The damage will lead to the skin getting dehydrated. The skin also becomes more prone to breakouts. So you'll see a lot of breakouts in the skin. So not good news at all. So we need to really work regularly to keep that barrier strong. There are different ingredients which can help keep that barrier strong. One set of ingredients do it by soothing, and the oat complex is the ingredient set which actually soothes our skin. By soothing, it kind of strengthens the barrier function in an indirect way. Oat complex also can reduce the redness in the skin, and it can also reduce the itchiness. Sometimes irritated skin can get all itchy. Oat complex can reduce the itchiness as well. It also has feverfew, which comes from the daisy family. Now this is an anti-inflammatory ingredient, meaning it's going to reduce the redness and the irritation on that skin. Panthenol is another really powerful ingredient. Panthenol is going to do two very good things. It's going to bring in a lot of hydration to the skin, and it also reduces the irritation, the inflammation on our skin, which again means stronger skin barrier. And another thing is, when the skin's barrier function, when the product has ingredients which can strengthen the skin's barrier function, it is kind of equipping the skin to kind of stay hydrated by itself, making it a bit stronger. So that's a good thing. So that's what the oat complex and the panthenol in this product do. This is a moisturizer which hydrates, helps the skin stay hydrated, and also builds the barrier function. Now this, not all moisturizers need to do. Moisturizers basically have to hydrate and help the skin stay hydrated. Now if they also help strengthen the barrier function, it's a bonus, and that's what this gel does. One thing though the product says it's for sensitive skin, if you know that you can actually react badly to, let's say, marigold, chamomile, daisy, then you just have to be very careful with this product, because feverfew comes from daisy family. It's a good ingredient, but I'm actually a bit disappointed it's there in this product, especially when this product is marketed for that soothing and for that sensitive skin. So that's something to be careful and very mindful of. Otherwise, this is a really good product. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.